flyby shots today. What is this process called?
Oh my god, fucking terrible.
This startup procedure or something like that, I don't know. All the drone footage you guys see is from that. And my other friend, Bird Anthony, plug, he has a Mavic, or did you sell it? I don't know. Comment below if you sold it, Bird. Take off. Thing is out.
You driving?
Yeah. I'll hop back in. Alright, so he's gonna get some aerial footage of me driving in the car. Should be good. Oh yeah, if anybody's asking what that is right there, focus. What that is right there, it's not check engine light. It's just in the early compact cars or M cars, they had they started putting in basically like an M button. Which way you want me to go?
Go left. Yo, what's up? This is Andy, throwing in a plug. Follow me, Andrew Eats Tacos on Instagram, and Andy Castellini on YouTube.
That's going to be a sick shot. The drone was like right above the car as I was pulling in. I don't know if you guys could see that. There it is. I don't know what it is, but I kind of want to hear it from the outside.
You want to drive it? I don't know how to drive it though.
What do you mean you don't know how to drive? You just press the gas pedal down.
It never works like that.
Can you catch it, right?
Yeah, put your hand under it, like that. It'll automatically land.
It's going up. Yo, that's sick. That's awesome. Was it going up when I?
Yeah, I wasn't holding the stick down. I'll drive it if you want me to.
Yeah, I kind of want to hear from the outside.
Where do you want me to go? Just from right here this way?
Just go that way and then that way. Yeah. He's driven it before, so he knows how to do it. It's always cool to see your car driving from the outside. This thing looks sick. Run up here. That sounds awesome. That sounds f***ing awesome. Sorry for cursing. But yeah, that sounds freaking sick. Super Sprint, you did a good job. How was that?
Dude, sick.
It sounds awesome from the outside.
It's hard to get used to the SMG though.
Yeah, SMGs.
It's so weird.
Takes a little time to get used to. But don't hate on it, guys. Behind the scenes drone footage. Hopefully get some slow-mo shots in there somewhere. So really quickly, let's just recap. Andy, you had a Leica for how many days?
3 days?
3 days.
3 days.
Which model? The M8, right?
Yep.
Okay. And it was just what?
So the white balance is different in every single shot. That's one. So like if you want to batch edit any photos, you can't. And then second off, the focus is just impossible. If you have low light,
I can attest to that. It's hard.
It's hard. It's hard to manual focus that thing. Plus the vertical alignment in the rangefinder is off.
Yeah. So like, what would you say that camera's for? Like an absolute pro, right?
I wouldn't say that. It's for an enthusiast, but
yeah,
you gotta know what you're doing.
Yeah, definitely. Like I wouldn't have no idea how to work that.
It's
camera.
hard to use.
Like this thing right here is doing all the work for me. Like I just set it up and it's just doing it. So that's great about that. Modern technology, gotta love it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Fun little video today. Just want to get some clips of the outside of the car and you know, hear it for myself for the outside. It's actually really cool to see, your own car driving down the road. I don't know why, but it just looks so awesome. Thanks for watching. As always, guys, subscribe for plenty more videos to come. Peace.